Hey, I'm Emma.
And I'm Sami. Welcome to Between Two Whiteboards.
Today we're going to answer some of the most frequently asked questions we get about overlapping testing.
One question that we get a lot is, can I run more than one test at a time? And the answer to this is yes. We do recommend that you run multiple tests at a time. This can lead to quicker time to insights and accelerate your growth even faster. And there are more consequences running one test at a time, so you'll have slower time to impact. And a lot of tests that you run actually don't have any overlap or a very minute amount of overlap. But for the ones that do have a greater amount of overlap, Emma is going to take us through that now.
What about overlapping tests? So there are some cases where you want users to only get one test in a group of tests. So for example, if you're testing a lot of stuff on your homepage, you want to test like homepage color and button color on the homepage. You don't want people to get like a blue homepage and a blue homepage button. So what you're going to do in StatSig at least is we suggest putting all those tests into a layer. And in a layer in StatSig, you can have your homepage layer, for example, where your user is only going to get one of those tests in that given layer. Thank you so much for watching our overlapping experiments video, and we're going to come out with more FAQs next week.